cruising along with science. This Hilton and Island Middle School student recently won first place in the Regional District Science Fair for building this motorized scooter.
I was really sort of interested in the concept of like drill-powered vehicles. And then when science fair came up, I didn't know what to do. And my dad showed me this video that was like a drill-powered go-kart. And so I started like planning out a design, and we were sort of like looking around on the internet to like see different like bike and scooter designs. And then we came up with the design I have now.
The 7th grader is using a cordless drill to power the scooter and built it using materials he found in his garage, like scrap pieces of wood and PVC pipes.
The drill connects to a shaft that has a sprocket on it, and the sprocket has a chain leading down to the front tire, and the skateboard wheels on the back are what allow you to steer and everything.
Meyer was constantly using the engineering and design process as he worked on the scooter.
The gear ratio was way off, and so the drill just wasn't strong enough, and that was sort of a problem through the whole project, was that the drill just wasn't very strong. We had to tinker around with like the different systems that moved like the turn and the torque throughout the system, because that's what really was helping make it go forward, because it just wasn't strong enough really.
Meyer really enjoyed working on his engineering project and will now travel to Texas in May for the International Science Fair.
I was super excited. I was proud that I was able to build something that actually worked and everything.
At Hilton and Island Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.